I'm here with Gerald and a brand new 2021 Land Rover Sport. This vehicle is in the shop for a blackout package. So tell us, Gerald, what kind of changes are we making to this vehicle?
So basically on this Range Rover Sport, it comes with silver nameplates and we're putting gloss black nameplates on it. The bottom trim right here comes silver, so we're actually painting that black so the bottom part is black on the vehicle.
And that's already been removed right now, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
And then the side vents come in gray and black on here, but we're making them solid black.
Okay.
This is one of the vents that we already refinished. It came with, it was silver and black, now it's just solid black.
Okay, so that got changed. And then it looks like the mirror covers are missing?
Yeah, we're doing the mirror covers. We're painting the mirror covers black because they come in gray.
Okay. And I know that we just painted the roof gray because,
Yeah, we painted the roof.
I mean black.
Yeah, we painted the roof was gray, and now we painted it all black, so it nice contrasting color.
Sure.
And now the wheels, we're taking the wheels and we're gonna powder coat them a gloss black, so it all matches the vehicle.
Okay. And then what about on the rear end of the vehicle? Is there any changes there?
Yes. So we're replacing the name plates and putting a new Sport black on there.
Okay. And then what about the rear bumper?
The rear bumper has a bottom deflector that goes on the bottom, and that was gray, so we're actually painting that black. So the whole bottom of the vehicle is black.
Okay, so if someone wants to black out their vehicle, they don't necessarily have to do everything you just showed us, right?
No, they could just pick and choose what they would like to do.
Okay. And so I know really the only other option is to buy this package included when you purchase the car.
Or it may not simply be available. And then the option is you can have us do it and it looks like a factory paint job.
Okay. And obviously significantly less than what you would pay at a dealer.
That is right, correct.
So, okay, thanks, Gerald.